Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the installer can run smoothly. Verify TPM2, 0, secure boot, and a 64-bit processor because Windows checks these early, otherwise it will block installation. Once done, backup personal files and build a bootable USB with the media creation tool to avoid partial installs. Make sure the PC has at least 20 GB free, is plugged into AC power, and uses a stable internet connection. These reduce interruption and download failures during setup. Next, you tackle mid-process errors by repairing the current system state. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to fix corrupt system files that block upgrade checks. If updates fail, run the Windows Update troubleshooter, stop Windows Update service, and clear the software distribution download cache to force fresh packages. Also disconnect printers, USB drives, and other non-essential peripherals, and clean up temp folders. This reduces driver conflicts and installer timeouts so the upgrade can proceed. Finally, you complete the install and verify success. Boot the USB in UEFI mode and choose either repair or clean install depending on your backups. Clean fixes persistent corruption but requires restore. Once Windows 11 is running, immediately update drivers through Device Manager and run Windows Update to get cumulative fixes. If the installer still fails, capture setup logs such as setupact. Log and setupair. Log from the Panther folder. These pinpoint the error so you can apply a targeted fix or seek specific help with exact codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.